traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. In this tutorial, we will learn about most profitable RSI trading strategy. In this most profitable RSI trading strategy, the formula is when the RSI is above 70, the overbought level and an important resistance level aligns, it signifies an entry point for sellers. Conversely, when the RSI is below 30, oversold level and an important support level aligns, it signifies an entry point for buyers. In this most profitable RSI trading strategy, the formula is when the RSI is above 70, overbought level and an important resistance level, it indicates potential entry point for sellers. Here we got a 3 confirmation. Look here, market was acted as a resistance. It was an important resistance level. First confirmation is it was an important resistance level. Market was acted as a resistance. Here sellers are in control of the market. And look here, it was an overbought range. RSI indicate overbought level. RSI is above 70. Overbought level. We got a RSI confirmation. Overbought level. We are in an important resistance level. And the third confirmation is it was a double top. Market, we got a double top pattern. So here it was a strong selling pressure will be happen. So we are ready to take a sell entry here. We got a 3 confirmation. RSI got a overbought level. In the same price level, market was acted as a resistance. It was an important resistance level. We got a double top pattern. So here we are ready to take a sell entry. Our stop loss and target is 1:2. Previously, market was acted as a resistance here. Market was approaching the same price level. Here is also market was acted as a resistance. First confirmation, we got a resistance level, important resistance level. And the second confirmation is candle. Look at this particular candle. This is a shooting star candle. 1/3 of the real body and 2/3 of the upper shadow. Shooting star candle will be formed in a proper resistance level. We got a 2 confirmation. And then looking at the RSI, we could not get any RSI confirmation because RSI was not in the above 70 range. RSI was not in the above 70 range. We don't want to take any sell entry here. Look here, in this level, we got a 3 confirmation. Market was in proper important resistance level. Double top pattern will be formed. RSI was in a overbought range, above 70 range. So here we will take a sell entry. In this level, it was an important resistance level. Shooting star candle will be formed in a proper resistance level. And we couldn't get any RSI confirmation. RSI was not in a overbought range, above 70 range. We don't want to take any sell entry here. Looking at the chart, market was acted as a resistance here. In this level, resistance turned into support. Look at this particular bullish candle. This particular candle is a breakout candle. It indicates a potential entry point for buyers. Look at the RSI. RSI is still indicating an overbought range above 70. In a real market, we will get a buy signal. RSI still in overbought range above 70. So RSI is giving a misleading false signal here. Look here, market was acted as a resistance. It was important resistance level. We got a 3 confirmation here. Market was in a important resistance level and candle confirmation. It was a double top. Here we got a double top confirmation. RSI is also indicating overbought level above 70. RSI was in a above 70 range. So we got a 3 confirmation here. Market was in a important resistance level. RSI above 70 overbought level. Double top pattern will be formed in the real market. So here we have to take a sell entry. What is our stop loss and target? Above the swing high is our stop loss and 1:2 is our target. In this highly profitable RSI trading strategy, you should follow the rules to obtain 3 confirmation. Confirmation of support and resistance, RSI confirmation and candlesticks pattern confirmation. After obtaining these confirmations, you can take entries for buying or selling. Don't trade blindly, friends. Follow your own analysis also. Subscribe to our channel to continue supporting with us for more videos. Thank you for watching.